Okay, we're going to do number 3 in the sample final. This is another redox reaction. It's acidic. So first step is to balance your non-O's and H's. We have 1 zinc on each side. We have 1 S on each side. We have 1 N on each side. So our first step is done. Next step, assign oxidation numbers. Sulfur is -2. It's much like oxygen, so zinc is +2. N is -2. We have 3 -2, so we have -6 coming from O. We have 1, -1 overall, so N's got to be +5. Zinc is +2. It's by itself an ion, so it's +2. Sulfur is by itself. It's not an ion, so it's 0. O -2. N +2. Next step, draw our lines from what's changing. Zinc's going from +2 to +2, so it's staying the same. Sulfur is going from -2 to 0. N is going from +5 to +2. -2 to 0 for sulfur, that means you're going to lose 2 electrons. From +5 to +3, you're going to gain 3 electrons. Are they equal? No. You got to make them equal, so we'll take 2 times 3 to get 6. We'll take 3 times 2 to get 6. Remember, those numbers you multiply now become your new coefficients. So let's write our new coefficients. We have 3 ZnS plus 2 NO3 minus goes to zinc plus 2 plus 3 sulfurs plus 2 NO. Now this next step is really tricky, and it's rare. It happens not that often, but in this case you have to be careful, because remember, when you first checked your non-O's and H's, they were balanced, but now you've changed right here, you've changed a coefficient on zinc to 3. Remember, zinc over here is by itself, so you must put a 3 in to balance that change you just made. If you don't, you're going to get to the very end and your charges aren't going to balance, even though you think you're doing it right. So it's a tricky case, but one that you need to be careful with. So let me erase those guys. I'll just make this nice. So that's 3 ZNs there. Okay. So now that we got that taken care of, now we need to balance our O's with H2O. There are 2 times 3, there's 6 O's over here. Over here you've got 2 O's. So we're going to add 4 waters on the right side. So now our O's are balanced. The next step is to balance your H's. We have 0, oops, we have 0 H's over here. We've got 8 H's over here. So we're going to add 8 H pluses to our left side. So now we know our non-O's and H's are balanced, our O's are balanced, we just balanced our H's. The last step is to check your charges. We have 8 pluses over here plus 2 minuses, so we have 6 pluses. I don't know why I just made an H there. We have 6 pluses coming from our reactants. Our products, we have 3 times plus 2 is plus 6, and the rest of those guys are neutral. So now we're balanced. Again, same way of solving these. This one can be a little bit difficult because you change your coefficients and it affects one that you didn't balance to begin with. So you've got to be careful there. So this one here is sample final number 3.